Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 3 and today we are going to do a presentation about Korean English analysis of English variations. Before we start the presentation, allow us to introduce ourselves. My name is Camelia Davina Fawas and my last three digits of my student number is 015. And my friend? And my name is Shoda Fatia Aziza and digit student number is 017.
My name is Nur Isnania Rizkiani. The student number 018.
My name is Shafan Radianti. Student number 019.
My name is Muhammad Ilyas Abdul Syakuro and student number is 121.
And here are the
culture, flavors, traditions, and social life.
audio
Korean
example.
food is a vibrant reflection of the country's culture, history, and values. Known for its bold flavors, balanced meals, and deep ties to tradition, Korean cuisine is not just about eating, it's about community, family, and respect. Food plays a central role in everyday life as well as in rituals and celebrations. The key features of Korean food. First, balance of flavors. Korean meals strive for a balance with salty, sweet, spicy, sour, and bitter. This balance is often achieved through ingredients like gakyojen, fermented red pepper paste, doenjang, fermented soybean paste, kimchi, gaori, and sesame oil, all of which create a complex and layered flavor profile. Second, rice as the staple. Rice, 밥, F is the heart of Korean cuisine. It forms the foundation of most meals, served alongside various side dishes, banchan. Steamed white rice is most common, but there are also brown rice and gaori rice, especially for health-conscious meals. Third, fermented foods. Fermentation is a cornerstone of Korean cooking. Not only for its preservation qualities but also for its ability to enhance flavors. Kimchi, fermented vegetables, is the most famous example, but there are many other fermented foods, such as doenjang, soybean paste, 총각장, fermented soybean stew, and 쟁거지, pickled vegetables. Popular Korean dishes. 1. Kimchi. Kimchi is fermented vegetable dish, usually made from cabbage. Kimchi is a staple in Korean cuisine. It's tangy, spicy, and often used in dishes like kimchi jjigae, kimchi stew. 2. Bibimbap. Bibimbap they rice ball topped with sauteed vegetables. Meat, usually beef, a fried egg, and gakyojen, spicy paste. It's mixed together before eating for a balanced combination of flavors. 3. 불고기, 불고기 marinated beef, usually grilled or stir-fried, offering a sweet savory flavor. 불고기 is typically served with rice and banchan. 4. 쌈자야푸살, 삼겹살 grilled pork belly, cooked at the table and eaten with lettuce leaves, gaori, and 쌈장, spicy dipping sauce, is a popular communal dish. 5. 재지기, 찌개, 스튜즈, kimchi jjigae and doenjang jjigae, soybean paste stew, are hearty stews commonly served with rice and banchan. 6. Siak, 떡, rice cakes. These traditional rice cakes are often made during holidays like Chujiak and are used in rituals to honor ancestors. The key ingredients. First, 각효쟁, 고추장 A spicy. Fermented chili paste used in many Korean dishes. Second, 고엔쟁, 된장 A fermented soybean paste that adds umami to stews and soups. Third, sesame oil, 참기름 adds a nutty aroma and flavor to many Korean dishes. The food and culture. In Korean culture, food is more than just sustenance. It is a way to build and strengthen relationships within the family and community. Benchen, the array of side dishes that accompany a meal are placed on the table for everyone to share. This communal style of eating fosters a sense of equality and togetherness, reflecting the importance of family and harmony in Korean society. Food is also an essential part of Korean rituals and celebrations. During major holidays like Seollal, Lunar New Year, and Chojiak, Harvest Festival, special foods are prepared to honor ancestors and ask for blessings for the family. Korean food is much more than just flavors and ingredients. It is a reflection of the country's history, values, and way of life. The careful balance of flavors, the use of fermented foods, and the emphasis on shared meals all speak to the deeper cultural principles of respect, family, and harmony. Whether it's an everyday meal like bibimbap or kimchi, or a special occasion dish like samgyeopsal or tia, Korean food tells a story of resilience, creativity, and the importance of community. Each dish is not just a meal but a celebration of Korea's rich cultural heritage.
Phonology, Korean accent in English. The first vowels. Korean speaker make up vowels, e.g., rise, sound like lies, and balance may have a least distinct sound. Second, consonant, difficult with R and L, as Korean has a single sound for both. Final consonant may be softened or dropped, ag, pass, or pass. F and P often become P and P. Second, the stress and intonation. Korean is syllable time, leading to more even writing in English. The stress placement may be incorrect in longer words. British accent. Clear vowel sound with distinct difference like in balance, ps, in but. Non-rhotic R is often silent ag in clover or coulter. American accent. Rhotic R is pronounced clearly in words like clever or coulter. Vowels are more often ag hot, a, or balanced a. This is for different stable. Korean accent, American accent, and British accent.
And this is for word examples. In Korean pronunciation, rice, the pronoun be lice, and in British, rice, and in American, rice. In Korean pronunciation, balance is balance. In British, balance. In American, balance. In Korean, pass. In British, pass, soft tea. And in American, pass or pastry. For flavor, in Korean pronunciation is flavor. In British, flavor. And in American, flavor. And for thing in Korean pronunciation is thing. In British, thing. In American, thing. And for syllable time versus stress time rhythm. In Korean accent, equal stress on every syllable. Korean food is a vibrant reflection of culture. In British accent, reduce emphasis on under-stressed syllables. Korean food is a vibrant reflection of culture. In American accent, stress time full speech. Greater pitch Korean with stress on keyword. Korean food is a vibrant reflection of culture.
And next, lexis or vocabulary for Korean accents. Direct translation from Korean may lead to unusual phrasing or word choice. For example, use of eat rice instead of have a meal, reflecting the centrality of rice in Korean culture. Words like bab or banchan might be left untranslated, as they have no direct equivalents in English. For the British English, words like aubergine instead of eggplant or courgette instead of zucchini could appear if a British speaker were discussing food. British speakers might use meal more often than dinner to describe eating together. For the American English, preference for words like dinner or supper over meal. Use of American specific food terms like scallions instead of spring onions. And this for the different lexis vocabulary for aspect, Korean accent, American accent, and British accent. Borrowed terms for the Korean accent returns Korean terms. Example, gochujang. For the American accent, simplest for accessibilities. Example, spicy paste. For the British accent, explain heritage. Example, fermented chili paste. Cultural expressions for the Korean accent, literal translation. Example, rice is heard. American accent, conversational. Example, rice is central. British accent, formal. Example, rice forms the foundation.
Okay, you wanna talk about the grammar on Korean accent. Korean speakers might use simplified sentence structures or omit articles. The, because Korean does not have them. For example, Korean food is vibrant reflection of country's culture. Instead of Korean food is a vibrant reflection of the country's culture. Use of honorifics in Korean could lead to overly formal phrasing in English. Example, food plays a very important role in family's life. And British English, preference for formal constructions, especially in written English. For example, Korean cuisine reflects the country's cultural heritage beautifully. Use of modal verbs like shall and out. Food. American English, preference for simple, more direct grammar. For example, Korean cuisine is a great way to learn about the country's culture. In the next, we're gonna talk about pragmatics. Korean accent. Korean speakers might priorities in directness and politeness, reflecting Korean cultural norms. This could manifest as hesitancy to use strong assertions. Korean food might be more about family rather than is repetition of ideas to emphasize respect and importance. For example, reiterating the communal aspect of meals. American speakers might be more direct and enthusiastic. Korean food is amazing. It's all about both flavors and balance. More personal anecdotes and engagement. Example, I love how Korean food brings people together. British English, British speakers might lean towards understatement and politeness, such as Korean food is rather unique in its use of fermented ingredients. Use of tech questions to soften statements. Example, it's all about balance, isn't it?
And here are the summary for this presentation. The first one is phonology. Korean speakers often struggle with sounds like R versus L and may omit final consonants, while British and American English have a distinct stress and rhythm patterns. The second one is lexis. Korean English often includes direct cultural transition. British English leans formal and American English is more conversational. And for the grammar, Korean English may omit articles or simplify structures, while British English is formal and American English is straightforward. And for the pragmatics, Korean communication is often polite and indirect. British is understated, and American is direct and expressive. That's all from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ya, nanti ya.
Itu hentikan.
Lihat suaranya bener.
Dengar dia harusnya.
Jangan tidak.
Harusnya dengar ya.